Oh my lord, it's so cold in Melbourne today. It's so bad. Hopefully you guys liked yesterday's video and the microphone upgrade, because what I've noticed is I breathe a lot, so a lot of that had to get edited out in the post-production. So slowly I'll get there. So my friend just told me that he's got a 3D printer. I asked him whether or not he can help me with some parts, and he agreed. So we're gonna take off some parts for him to replicate. So I need another cover for my headlight to go on here. So he's going to replicate that for me. So I'm just gonna take that off for him and then bring it over to him right now. So as I was saying, went for a ride this morning just to drop off some parts, and the bike ran out of petrol, and I just had to bring it all the way home. Just there, ran out of petrol. I'm gonna roll it all the way up my driveway now and get into the garage. Man, I was just talking to my friend and he was like, hit the reserve, hit the reserve. I'm like, I have, it ran out of fuel. And then he said, I was gonna bring a jerry can over if I was gonna ride at home. So he set me up. He set me up. But we made it. It's back in the garage. I couldn't be bothered pushing it. You guys have seen me struggle enough with things. So I just put some fuel in it and then rode it into the garage. But yeah, so this guy's got to move a little bit further back over here. I'll push everything out as the guys finish up with the veranda. We didn't know it would take this long. I don't think they knew it would take this long either, but at this rate, I'm the one that's walked off with the bargain. So I was just talking to my friend and he was like, did you redline it because it's a Honda and whatnot? And I told him I don't ride like that. I probably shifted up at probably 6,000, no more than that, just because that's the way I ride. I'm not crazy on a bike. I'm not crazy in a car either. And for my own stuff, I drive it a little bit more aggressive, but if I'm riding or driving my friends, strangers, anyone's car, bike, I will always just ride it very, very gently, because it's not my car, it's not my car to thrash. I don't care if people say, just do it, just do it. It's not my car, and I don't want that drama, because we've seen it time and time again. Driving your car, someone does something, the other person gets, to try to tell the owner it broke on its own is impossible. And I just don't want that drama. It's not worth it. So that's what I've learned, a life lesson. Don't trash other people's things. It's just not worth it. You don't know if things are already starting to break. You don't know how the person looks after their stuff. You literally have no idea. And if you do that, then it's on you. So it's raining outside, but luckily for me, I've got this little retreat area that is now complete. This thing is massive, roughly 9 by 11 meters, but now it's completely covered off. It's got the splash panels that they've recently installed. This new car, they've constructed this corridor down here, so that way no rain can fall into this area whatsoever. Now I've just got to work out the lighting and figure out how do we go about making this area into a functional area. But at the moment it's going to be a storage area, so watch this space. So bikes being moved out. All this other stuff has been moved out. Made space in the garage for the car. I have a lot of stuff and I really need to clear out a lot of things. But my worst fear is if I throw it out or dispose of it, a couple of weeks later I'm going to need it again. And that's what always happens. So slowly I've got a motor that's gonna be picked up on Tuesday, so I'll make sure I have room for that. But hopefully I can get the Integra in here. But it's pissing down rain. It's so bad. So bad. Thank God I have this area that I can store everything. But it's just, this weather can't really do much either. Look who I got inside. Alright, it's ready on jack stands. I'm going to try and get some motivation to do this myself. I'm a little bit knackered from pushing this into the garage, so let's just see. Take it slowly, no rush.